everybody, welcome back to my channel where I am me and you are you. I hope everyone's having a great day. It was like dust flying around. So today we are going to be doing the lyric challenge. Is that what we're going to call it, Nyla?
No.
The lyric challenge?
No.
Then what are we going to call it?
Okay, so there's this app called Tunes, and I'm over here sponsored. Like, no, you need to get a sponsor.
Yeah, no. We ain't sponsoring nothing, honey.
No, but there's this app, and we're gonna basically be doing, because it has the beats that you're supposed to do when you call somebody.
So we're gonna call it Guess the Ringtone, okay?
Yeah. Guess
we
the
go.
ringtone.
This game is gonna
Guess
be called
the
Guess
Ringtone.
the Ringtone. Play a ringtone from this app that we're not gonna name because we're not sponsoring.
But I named it like 3 times.
I'll just crop it out.
Yeah.
But this app, it basically plays a ringtone, and it's like, you know, a lit version of the song on a ringtone, or a lit ringtone of the song. So I just guess it. Okay, that's what we're doing. We're guessing the ringtone.
Are you ready?
Yes, honey.
First one.
Number one.
I didn't even connect.
Oh
shoot,
my
I'm slacking,
gosh. Guys, look at my skin, how flawless it is. Oh. We lit, guys.
Wait,
Every day we lit. You can't tell me.
What is going
Remember I was broke. Now I'm getting rich.
on?
When you go to then you know you lit. When you
quit to take a nigga.
then you know you lit.
Alright, ready?
Yeah. Let's get it. Come on.
Okay, ready?
Let's go.
Okay.
I'm excited.
First one.
I know a lot of songs, but like I don't know the names of songs. I just like be vibing to them, and then I just sing along, and then I know certain parts of the song. So let's see how good I do. Ready?
I know you know this one.
Okay, go. Oh, that's City Girls. And if I want to run period. Are you serious?
It was Act Up.
That's what I'm saying.
That's
Act
it?
up, you can get snatched up.
Oh, yeah.
Act up, you can get snatched up. Act up, you can get
okay.
dirty ass. Girl, you need to back up.
Okay,
It's your me and me, and I can't on my side.
Okay.
Yeah, you know what I'm saying?
You got one. Okay.
City Girls, don't try me. I know my stuff. Alright, let's go.
Alright.
Second, let's go. Number 2. I'm ready now. Are you riding? And never ever beside me. Cause I want you, and I need you, and I'm down for you with KB. Do you love me?
Are you riding? Okay, next. 2 points.
Drake. Hold on. I'm bad and I'm sad and oh yeah. I'm sad X.
Okay, I was about to say.
Yeah. Play it again. That's right.
Hey. Okay, we have a lot of songs to get to.
Okay, let's go. Next one. That's by X. That's my baby. R.I.P. It went together, guys. That really wasn't my fault. It sounded like the song.
Oh, you were singing Shape of You.
Did that not sound like Shape of You?
No.
That was Taki Taki?
Yes.
Really? Oh my god, I'm such an idiot. Okay, go. My love, I just wanted, or you just wanted attention, right?
Attention, yeah. Yeah, good job.
Something, yeah. I know this. Hold on. It's coming. Play it again. Start from the beginning. Hurry up. Go. It's coming. I know it. Hold on. Start from the beginning. I'm listening to too much now. Start from the beginning. I'm listening to too much. Go ahead. What the I know it! It's
Live in the nighttime. Starboy.
I'm a star boy.
No, it doesn't have to say thing. I just looked up live.
Wow.
Okay, ready?
Uh,
Ew,
Yeah.
what the freak?
Almost failed.
All right, so this is what we're doing now. I'm going to
Hold up, you're switching it up?
No, just for this one thing, okay?
Okay.
You have to guess the show that goes with this, okay? I
What
know
the
you know it.
freak?
Just this one.
Dun, 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 dun. This my show right here.
What is it?
That's Law. No, it's Law and Order. Yeah.
Good job.
Dun, dun,
Shout
dun,
out to
dun,
mommy.
dun,
Shout out
dun,
to
dun,
mommy.
dun, dun,
Shout out
dun,
to
dun,
mommy.
dun.
Shout out to mommy.
Why'd you have to say it like 30 times?
Because that's her favorite show.
Yo,
Shout out to her.
Law and Order, Criminal
Okay,
Minds, that's all my
next.
shows. Stop, this is my channel, don't control it. Look back at it. Ready? Let it play. They didn't even change it. Like, it sounds the same.
I know, but that's the point. Okay, next.
By A Boogie with the Hoodie. Ooh! Murder on my mind.
Yeah.
I got murder on my mind. I got murder on my mind. Yellow tape around his body is a homicide. Girls, dun, 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 dun. Girls, dun, 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 dun. Girls like you, but then the girls like me. Dun, dun, the girls like you.
Yeah.
I know this one. Hold up. Okay, maybe I don't know it. I don't know it.
You don't know it? Are
No.
you giving up?
Yeah. Throw the towel. Wait, hold on. Yeah, I give up. It's over.
Thank you, next.
I'll be listening to that.
Girl.
Thank you. Next. I don't listen to
Okay,
that.
but you know how it goes.
Yeah,
please.
because oh, this is Kid Gonna Get It Gonna Rock a Rock Star. 21 Savage. 21 Savage.
Rockstar.
Isn't it 21 Savage?
What
I've been
was
in
it?
it
Post
here.
Malone.
What?
Oh!
Oh!
Wait, is it?
Wait, I think 21 Savage is in it though because
Yeah.
I've been in
I've
the
been
air
in
on
the
it,
superstar,
I've been
feeling
like a
like a
rock
rock
star.
We gotta look it up. Because I'm not really
Oh
sure.
yes, it is.
Wait.
Dun in a bag. Yeah,
No,
it
but
is.
it's
21
also
Savage
like
is in
a
it.
Marshall. No, but it's also by.
Okay, but that
Who
part
is
was
it
that part was 21 Savage though, bro.
Who is it by?
I know that because he goes something in a something car garage feeling like a rock star. Hit it from the back. Pulling on the tracks. Yeah, that's 21 Savage.
No, Moss. Yeah. you're
Told you.
right.
Okay, next one. Who cares? I don't want to
Okay,
know who it is. Okay. I told you I know my stuff. I know my 21 Savage. I know A
Post
Boogie.
Millennium
I don't know
and
about
21.
20. Yeah, no.
21.
All I knew was 21 Savage. Next. Oh yeah, I already know it.
Yeah. That's
Oh,
the
that's
same
the
song. I already know it.
Yeah, what the
Okay,
freak?
next.
Okay, go. Need my love. Call me on my cell phone.
Do it. Go. No, Yeah.
Oh, did I do it?
Yeah, you did. You did. So what is it called?
Call me 1-800 Hotline Bling or some
Yeah.
crap like that. Some crap, bro. Despacito.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. You got it.
Barito. Despacito. That's Buzz Down Tatiana.
Who is that?
That was Blueface, baby. Yeah, aight. Blueface. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Oh, shoot. That is Kodak Black. Z.
ZZ.
Yeah. And it's not time. You're my sunshine. Whoa. I got
Sunflower.
same difference,
Keep
bro.
your sunshine, whoa.
Yo, one of the sunshines, okay? Well, that was it for the ringtone challenge, guys. It's called the ringtone challenge. It's called the ringtone challenge. Ringtone challenge, duh.
Give your
Okay.
nail a shout out, honey.
Oh yeah, shout out to, Ivy. Follow me at, oh wait, I'm Ivy. Shout out to me, okay? Go follow me on Instagram. My nail account is
You're talking to yourself in third person.
I know. Okay. Go follow my Instagram account. The link is gonna be in the description down below. It's I nailed it, okay? __ I nailed it __ Hit me up if you want an appointment. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, okay? Let me know what you guys want to see. I'm back and I'm better. I want you bad as ever, okay? Go add me on some Snapchat, you know what I'm saying? IBEY _ Evelise. IBELISSE. Not no Ivelise, it's Evelise with an I, okay? But make sure you guys like this video. Make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up. I meant to say thumbs up. But yes.
And we out.
And we out.
Ah! This one was better. This one's better.
Okay.
Ready? You gotta get mom in this hole. I think we're not.
Alright, y'all.
Peace out.